Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we'll show you how to change a drum support wheel on a Bosch tumble dryer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If your dryer is making a rumbling noise when in use, it may be due to worn drum support wheels that need replacing. Remove the top panel and the side panels by removing the Torx screws. To remove the wheel, disconnect the belt from the tension pulley by carefully levering the motor to release the tension and lift off. Before removing the wheel, wedge something under the drum to support the weight and prevent it pulling on the bearings at the back. Lift out the old wheel. You can now see the support wheel is badly worn. Refit the new wheel . Remove the temporary support. Fit the belt over the pulley and allow retention by using the motor. Turn the drum to make sure that the belt runs on the pulley correctly. Then reassemble the machine back together. Finally, fit the top before testing the machine. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.